What we got is the YiKatoo 598 that we're putting on a 2013 Ford F250.
So this is how it came boxed up. They shipped it to me super fast. And we've got our race pipe here, 2 sections. There's our front section. And our rear section. Instructions and our hardware.
Just the front section, it does utilize just 2 of the existing hangers. Here. All right, we got it fitted into the 2 hangers here. Slide that back. Get it pushed into place up here. There we go. All right, and then this connects to your downpipe right here. You got your flange where we'll install the 2 bolts down to there. All right, now we're putting in the back section. All right, sits in there. Okay, I'll let that hang right there. Like that. Alright, and we got our connecting piece here with our bracket, and then we just got to bolt at the back here.